Welcome back, children. Once again, this is Ansu here. This time, we'll be seeing the second part of Chapter 6, Working with Forms and Reports. Today, we'll be discussing how to create a form in Design View. Creating a form in the Design View. In MS Access, you can select the format and arrangement of a form to add data. MS Access also allows you to select the format in which you want to make the form and also arrange the form in the way you like. You can use the design view to select among the available fields and add the required data controls. From the available fields, you can select the ones that you need and also add the required data controls to your fields. You can link a form to an underlying table with more control so as to update the database more easily. You can even link your form to an already present table with more control so that you can update the database easily. How to create a form in the design view. It is across 3 slides, so you have to listen carefully in order to understand the concept. And if you have any doubt, please refer your textbook. The pictures are available in your textbook. From the navigation pane, select the table where you want to create a form. You have to look into your navigation pane and select the table that you want to work on. Then click the Create tab. Like the before one, you have to click on the Create tab. From the Forms group, this time you are going to click on Form Design. A blank form appears in the Design view. At that time, a blank form will appear in the Design view. On the Design tab, from the Tools group, click Property Sheet. You have to click on the Property Sheet option. The Property Sheet pane appears on the right. Then click the All tab. The next step is you have to click on the All tab. From the Record Source drop-down list, select the required table source. You have to look for the Record Source drop-down list and select the required table source. Select the other options as required. You have to select all the other options that you need. From the Tools group, click Add Existing Fields. The field list pane appears on the right. When you click on the Add Existing Fields, the field list pane will appear on the right. Click Show All Tables. Under the fields available in the Other Tables list, click the plus icon next to the required table. The available fields in the selected table appears in the field list pane. The ones that you have selected from the required table will appear in the field list pane. Click and drag the required field into the form. You have to click and drag the required fields into the form. Then you have to repeat step number 8. You have to go to the Tools group to click and add existing fields. That step has to be repeated. If required, from the Controls group, select the desired control button. From the Controls group, select the desired control button that you want. From the Quick Access toolbar, click the Save icon. The Save As dialog box appears. In the Form Name text box, enter the desired name and click OK. The newly created form is added to the navigation pane. When you click OK, the newly created form will appear in the navigation pane. With this, we come to the end of today's presentation. Please go through the design view that is given in your textbook step by step and then understand the process. Thank you.